welcome to Bite-Sized Unboxings, and today we're going to be doing the Spangler Science Club monthly box, which is our favorite monthly box by far. It usually has all sorts of really cool science experiments in it, and if you guys aren't signed up already, you totally should sign up. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be opening it up and showing you a couple of the experiments, and then we're going to hopefully convince you to sign up for it and get a box of this too.
Okay, Cooper, you want to open the box and see what kind of science we got? There we go. You want help? Dig in there. Okay, you want to give it to Abba? Let Abba tell us what we're doing?
We're doing circuits made easy.
What does that mean?
Like a slap circuit.
Yeah, like electricity. We're going to do something with electricity. Abba, how come there's two books?
Okay, so this one is top secret for adults only and will self-destruct if caught reading by a child. So this one, I think, just basically, I've never opened one, but I think it's basically just like the actual science with no explanation.
Yeah, so there's the...
What is that one?
Yeah, it comes with this, the main book has all the details on how to do the experiments, and one of the things that we really love about this one is that it asks a lot of questions. You have to make a hypothesis about what's going to happen and try and understand the science, and this book doesn't give you the answers, because it kind of wants you to think about it and not just flip to the answers. And then there's a parent's guide that has, if the parent doesn't know about the science or what's happening in detail, this explains the experiments in a lot more detail, and so you can talk to your kid and kind of help them get out with it, right? I think it's really cool they kind of separate them out, and so you can do the experiments and not worry so much about doing having the kids not looking to see what the answers are and why things are happening. So they get to be surprised by what happens a lot of times. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, this one's pretty cool. Okay, let's pick the first one. And let's do experiment number 1. Tell us what we need out here.
Red sauce.
Red sauce? I don't think it has red sauce.
Sauce cup.
A red sauce cup?
Yeah, it's like, what's the good thing that wasn't mustard? What the other thing that
Ketchup?
wasn't mustard? Yeah, it's a ketchup jar.
This is the ketchup jar?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see if that's what we end up putting in it. I'm kind of doubtful, but we'll see what happens. Okay, what do we need? Is there a list of equipment we need?
Yes. Roll of copper tape.
Roll of copper tape.
2 printed circuit pages, a battery.
Science experiment batteries even.
What?
Not regular batteries, they're science experiment batteries somehow. Okay, awesome.
You need the LEDs.
Look at those. Do you know what those are, Cooper?
LEDs.
What's an LED?
It's just like a light.
It is a light, yeah. It's like a nightlight kind of thing.
Nightlight.
Yeah, you're right, Cooper. Good job, buddy. Okay, what else? Good job.
Binder clip.
Okay, I got a binder clip.
We need sticky tape, optional, and scissors, optional.
Okay, tape and scissors. Then do we have to provide those?
Yes.
Okay, we'll get those. We got some tape, and Cooper brought us some Cooper scissors.
So the first step is to take a close look at the 2 different circuit pages.
Okay.
Tell your adult science helper about similarities and differences you see.
Yeah, Cooper, let's do that. We're gonna look at these 2 different things. Can you tell me what's the same and what's different about them?
So the same part is, see how this have the red mark?
Yeah.
This also has the red mark.
It
And
does.
they both have the pointers.
Yeah, do you know what that means? That
No.
says battery here. So that's where we're gonna put the battery. They both have a place to put a battery. That's good. Okay, what do you see anything that's different about them?
Oh, I know. See, so this one has this little white lens on the corner, and this one doesn't.
Yeah, that's the difference. What do you think that means? We don't know yet, do we? Okay, let's play around and see if it tells us how they're different.
Let me do slow motion.
Slow motion? Good job. Back to regular speed. Nice slow motion replay on that, Cooper. Let's see that again in slow motion, right? What happens to this piece of copper when I fold it? Watch real carefully, okay? Watch real carefully.
Spin.
Where does it go, though?
It goes sideways.
And what does it touch?
It touches the battery thing.
It does touch the battery place. That's exactly right. You see there's a little minus sign right here?
Yeah.
And a plus sign up here. So the minus side goes down on the circle. Can you find the minus on that battery? Or a plus? Flip it over, look at the other side.
Okay, it's an X right now.
Yeah, that's a plus. You just turn it like this, watch. That X goes, oh, now it's a plus.
Where's the
Oh,
X?
it's an X. Oh, it's a plus. Oh, it's an X. It's a plus.
Okay, it's a plus.
Okay, put it right there. Put the plus up, but you want it on the red circle like that. Now push it down. Look, it's working, Cooper. So this is what they call a circuit, okay? Because the electricity it comes out of the battery and it follows this copper and then it goes up that wire and into the bulb and makes the bulb turn on. And then it goes back down this side and it follows the copper and it goes all the way back around and back into the battery. So they call it a circuit because a circuit means it's a circle. It goes all the way around. And well, on the way, it lights up that light. Okay, there's your first circuit. Like, see, this is, instead of just doing the simple little snap circuits, you actually made wires and made a circuit this time. That could be your night light right there. You like it? All right, Cooper, let's see that again. Let's see that again in slow motion. Okay, full speed. Ooh, good job, Cooper. Nice, that's pretty cool, isn't it? You made an electric circuit and made the light come on. Okay, you wanna take that off and see if the light goes off? Oh. Okay, awesome.
The battery came out.
Yeah, with no battery there, nothing happens, right? Because the battery makes, what does the battery give it?
Energy.
Energy, electricity. Okay, so we're gonna do the whole process again, so we should be able to go a lot faster this time.
Okay, so now we're going to be doing a special thing with the gap to turn it into a switch.
Okay, how come the light's not coming on when we do that?
Because we have to put the battery in.
There's no battery there, that's right.
It says stick it to itself. Should we like flip it around?
Oh, okay, I got what you're saying.
Oh!
Over.
Makes sense.
Like that.
It's purple.
It is kind of purple, Cooper, you were right. Okay, so we got it working. We've got one here, Cooper. And so this one you put the battery on and then the wires make the light come on, right? And this one we've got the battery on too, but the light's not coming on. Why not?
Because we have to push this down.
That's right. So you know what we made right there? What do you
Because
call
there's
that?
a gap, and we need electricity goes up into here.
Yeah.
But once it comes back, it stops here because it doesn't have more, so it does not give more energy.
That's right. It can't cross that gap, and so you have to close that gap. And you know what you call this little thing you're closing the gap with? What?
No.
Electricity? No, you call it a switch. So like on the wall, like when you turn on the light switch and it makes the lights come on, it's just like this right here. Like the electricity can't cross and can't get across a little gap. And then when you flip the switch on the wall, what does it do?
It can let it flip.
Okay, Cooper, let's close that switch one more time in slow motion. Oh, wait, what happened? What are you doing?
Okay, so obviously we're just getting started. We just did the first 2 pages of it. So obviously there is a lot more that you guys will have to find out when you get your kit. We're going to be doing all of this, but we're not going to make you sit through it, and we also want to get the kit to be able to see everything.
Awesome. So there's a lot of really cool stuff in here. There's bottles, there's salt water, and there's like, I don't know, there's a bunch more we're going to get to do. SpanglerScienceClub.com. And it's really awesome. And Steve Spangler is just an amazing guy, and he puts out the best equipment. And why do we love these kits? What's the one thing that we really love about the Spangler stuff?
They're very hands-on and very good for kids to be able to kind of teach themselves and learn.
And what else do they do that other people don't always do?
And they make you use the scientific method.
They do.
They make you form a hypothesis, that word, and then you see if you were correct or not.
Right.
And yeah, it's a very hands-on thing.
They give
kids like
very
the
good
scientific
detailed
method.
explanations of the science of what's happening. So it's not just doing a cool thing and seeing it happen. You actually get a good explanation of why it happened.
Yeah.
I always love that. And they have videos. You can watch videos of how to do these experiments and stuff. So I really love them. So I think you should definitely sign up for them.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
So if you want to watch more really cool unboxings, then please subscribe here for more. We're going to try and keep our unboxings very sciencey so that we don't do anything like a kids channel with we're not going to really unbox dolls or whatever. We're going to unbox sciencey things.
Yeah. Enrichment unboxing.
Enrichment unboxing.
Yeah. Very cool.
So yeah, thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye!
You want to say bye in slow motion?